How to recover Facebook account if hacker change email and password. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to recover Facebook account if the hacker change email and password. Now go ahead and open up your browser. After you open browser, tap on the search, tap on this, type in this, as you can see now here, is type in this link, m.facebook.com/hacked. So m.facebook.com/hacked. So tap on this. After you open this option, as you can see now here, it says, if you believe your account has been hacked, has been compromised by another person or a virus, please click the My Account is Compromised button, this one, or below. Will help you log back into your account so that you can regain access. Tap on this option. So from this option now, go ahead and type in your mobile number. So just go ahead and type in your mobile number. So after I type in your mobile number, just go ahead and tap on the search. So from this option, it says choose your account. Remember, hackers sometimes change names and profile pictures. So now go ahead and choose one of them. I'll use this one that I see my number on it. After you choose this one, as you can see now here, it says recover this account. Check my mobile number or email address to make sure that this account is your account. So here is my account, as you can see now. So if you now tap on this recover account, now it will give you option to recover your Facebook account. That's it, guys, on how to recover Facebook account if hacker change email and password. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.